welcome back to my Customize With Me video for FabFitFun Summer 2023. If you want to check out all the items that I'm customizing my box with for this season, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thank you so much for checking out this video. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sounded all interesting, definitely check out my other videos and also consider hitting that subscribe button as well. If you are returning, thank you so much for watching another video. Alright, so as promised, I'm back for my Customize With Me video for FabFitFun Summer 2023. If you haven't seen my recent add-ons video for this season, definitely check it out. I will link it in the description box down below. As I mentioned in that video, I apologize for my totally hoarse voice. Believe it or not, this is better than it was a week ago, so I'm happy about that. I was getting over a cold, and then my work has been pretty intense because I've been doing my hospital shifts recently, so I just can't, get any rest, and I've been talking all day. So these videos don't help my voice at all, but I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. I hope this is not too bothersome, because these are some of my most favorite videos to make every season, because I just love interacting with you guys. You give me such great feedback on these products. I love talking about FabFitFun. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful and enjoy hearing about some of my thoughts about the customization options this season. Just so you guys are aware, I am in no way affiliated with FabFitFun. I do have my typical referral link down below if you want to check it out. And if you're new to FabFitFun and want to sign up for the subscription service on your own, definitely consider using that because you'll save a little bit of money. If you're not aware of what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal subscription box where you receive full-size products, and they are lifestyle products, beauty, skincare, clothing items, just a really fun mix of different products that gets you super excited and ready for the season ahead. It's my all-time favorite subscription service, so I highly recommend considering this if you're not currently a member. But again, this video is not sponsored at all, so all these items I purchased on my own, and I actually have pretty decent opinions, I will say, because I've been a member for many years, so I've seen a lot of similar products they offer before. So hopefully I can provide you guys with a pretty unbiased opinion and review of a lot of these things. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put up the pictures here of each customization option and talk you through a little bit of why I made the selections that I did. And in case you're curious, right now customization is open for annual members. I will list all the relevant dates down below if you're an annual member like I am, or if you're a seasonal member. All the dates will be listed down below. So just make sure that you put in all your selections before your window to customize closes. So for customization now, FabFitFun does allow you to customize, honestly, the majority of your box, which is really nice in my opinion, because you know that what you're getting you selected, and it's not just random stuff that you may not want or use. Don't get me wrong, a lot of times it is still random stuff you may not want or use, but at least you have some opinion regarding what you're receiving, which I really like about the service now. So I'm going to move on to customization choice 1. So this is what's available at the time that I'm looking through this. The availability of a lot of these products changes throughout the window that the sale is open. So you definitely have to check back now and again and see what's available. But this is currently what's available. So customization 1 usually, as I always say, is the blockbuster highlighted products, probably the highest retail products as well. And this season, I will say, a little bit underwhelmed again, like I have been the past seasons, which is kind of a bummer. But there are some decent products that I'm going to select, but not blown away by any means by these choices. Okay, the first option here that's currently available when I'm looking at this is this Kate Spade pitcher and cups. Really cute. Honestly, I probably won't use much during the summer, so I'm going to pass on that, but that is really cute for entertaining. There are 2 options for this Beach Riot Beach Club towel. There's a pink-orange stripe and a pink-blue stripe. So I did select the pink-blue stripe. I just like that colorway. Ironically, I actually have a very similar pink-orange beach towel, so I'm going to steer clear of that one. But they recently partnered with Beach Riot, it looks like, because they offered some Beach Riot products in the add-ons I saw on the sale. So I think that's one of their new collaborations. But I did pick up this towel. I think it looks like good quality. It's really pretty. Again, I have 4 kids, so we always use beach towels. So I'm going to add that as one of my selections. There's the Ole Hendrickson Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. That looks really nice, but I'm going to pass on that because I have a lot of scrubs. The Free People Distress Vegan Wallet. If you watched my add-ons video, I talked about how I do love shopping at Free People, and I added in to my add-ons their button-down shirt that they're offering. So I do like Free People. I initially selected this wallet as an add-ons or an upcharge here, but I took it out because, I mean, honestly, I have so many wallets. I have so many small leather goods. A lot of them I don't even use, and I have a lot of them that are similar. In fact, my Zippy wallet from Louis Vuitton is very similar to this. So I had to put it back. I have to force myself not to buy more of these things. But that is a really cute wallet, I'll say, and I love the color. If you want vegan products, I think it's a good one to look at. I also selected the LMS Superfood Midnight Facial Cream. So this is an extra $15 if you want to make extra selections. I love LMS, as I've talked about before. I use their marine cream with SPF during the day, and I really love the consistency. So I'm going to try this at night. So I'm excited to add that. For their skincare like this, I think this is a pretty good deal for just $15. So I'm going to add that as well. There's this Gaiam yoga mat, which is really pretty, but I don't do yoga, at least not yet. So I'm going to pass on that. Currently what's unavailable is the Sunny Life underwater camera. Don't really need that, but that looks really cute. And I know these kind of retro film cameras are more, popular these days. So that, not surprisingly, right now sold out. There's this Olaplex Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo, which I definitely don't need. There's a Mystery Choice bundle. Speaking of that, if you watch my videos the past couple seasons, I always ask for your feedback because I don't know what's in these mystery choices. I'm so intrigued, but not enough to actually select it. I've gotten so much great feedback from you guys that have picked this selection. Some people say it's really worthwhile because the values of these bundles or mystery choices is really high and you've been really pleased. Other people I've heard, they got kind of dud products. So I don't know, I think the jury's still out. Let me know if you've gotten this before, what you got. I'm totally curious. I think a lot of us are, so let me know if you've tried it. But that's sold out. It always sells out, like I said before, so it must be good. There are these bangle weights, which is kind of interesting, and there's also a free online course, but I pass on that. I use Peloton, pretty good now, I'm proud of myself, but it comes along with weights too, so I'll just stick with that. And then there's this John Adler Carafe bundle. I know they've offered similar products before. Again, I don't really need this, so I'm gonna pass on that one. So I picked 2 products for customization choice 1. I'm actually pretty happy with those products. I think they're pretty solid, but again, nothing that really honestly blew me away. Gonna move on to customization 2. So at the time that I'm filming this, these are the products that are available. Oh my gosh, a newsflash, or breaking news I should say, mystery bundle is still available, or mystery choice is still available. I may have to consider that. It's $15 extra if you want to do that. There's the Laneige sunscreen. I love Laneige, especially their sleeping mask. I have a lot of sunscreen products already, so I'm going to pass on this. There's the Way Fine to Medium Hair Mask, which looks nice. I'm going to pass again. I don't need a hair mask right now, but I did pick up the Olaplex Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I bought an Olaplex gift set from Sephora when they were offering that, one of the holiday season sales. I haven't even used it yet. Again, I have too many hair products just stockpiled. But I think I want to try this. I haven't tried the mask, so I did add this one. There's the Sunday Citizen Bath Set, which I don't need, but looks cute. A Short Story ceramic tray, which is a really nice little trinket tray. There's the First Aid Beauty cream. I love their First Aid Beauty just plain cream, just a typical one that I use a lot on my kids. It's good for eczema, I know. I haven't tried their collagen cream, but I'm going to pass for now. There's a Radiant Shaver, which looks pretty, but I tend to really like epilators actually. I don't know if that's popular or not, but I tend to use that instead. There are some choices of this Beach Riot Sarong. So again, they clearly have started collaborating with Beach Riot because there are a lot of Beach Riot products. I don't really use sarongs for cover-ups, so I'm going to pass on those. Currently, what's unavailable is the Z Gallery multi-use little storage containers, which look pretty. I actually had my eye on these, but now that they're sold out, I think I don't have a choice anymore. But I thought it was really pretty. So I think that's a good selection as well. So for this one, I think I'm just going to stick with the Olaplex option and see how I like it. I'll let you guys know for future videos. Moving on to customization 3. So what's currently available is the Sunny Life Pool Ring. I don't have a pool, though we definitely sometimes use more of a community pool. We go to the beach a lot though, but typically when we travel. The beaches in Northern California honestly aren't great. I'm totally biased though because, as you've heard if you watch my channel, I'm from Hawaii. We spend a lot of time in Hawaii as well. I'm spoiled. I cannot tolerate California beaches. They're just not the same. So I hardly go to the beach in terms of going into the water. But this is a really pretty beach tool, or beach pool ring if you like. There's a Pop Sugar water bottle. I have my fair share of water bottles, so I'm going to pass. A 9 West hanging travel organizer, which looks really pretty. One of the selections here I did make was this Elizabeth Stone Mod Bar studs. I love wearing little studs, huggy hoops, you know, this kind of stuff. So I love having a nice selection. So I'm going to select this one. There's the Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. I've tried a lot of mascaras. I haven't tried this one. Let me know what you think about it. I really love trying different mascaras. There's this Volition Strawberry Brightening Serum. There's a Swig Stemless Wine Cup, which again I passed on. And currently unavailable, there's a Juice Beauty Wrinkle Boost Serum. Mystery Choice, sold out for the selection. There's a tanning body butter. And then the Too Faced Lip Injection Plumper, which I've definitely seen a lot everywhere. This one's sold out pretty instantly, I'll say. But that's currently sold out as well. So for this selection, I picked the earrings. I'm a little curious about the mascara, so let me know if you guys recommend it if you tried it before. Moving on to customization 4. I have a couple of products. One is this Briogeo Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Spray. This looks really pretty. I love this line from Briogeo, so I'm going to for sure pick that up. There's a Seagrass Visor, which I definitely don't need, so I'm going to pass on that. I also selected for an extra $8 this Rum Hand and Body Wash. This looks really pretty nice. I really do love picking luxurious hand wash because we wash our hands so much these days. It's something nice to have a little bit of pick-me-up, a little bit of luxury at the sink. So I'm going to pick this up and try out this fragrance. There's a Hanging Scented Oval Diffuser. There is a Coral app 6-month subscription, which looks interesting, but I think I'm going to pass. There is a Peptide Refreshing Eye Cream, a digital luggage scale, which I probably need to consider because last time we were traveling to Hawaii, our luggage went over 50 pounds. So yes, I was one of those crazy people at the airport trying to move around some stuff because I didn't want to pay the upcharge. I think the upcharge was literally $100 if it was over 50 pounds. So luckily, whatever, I just moved some of my stuff into my other luggage and made it. So yeah, definitely need to watch out for that 50-pound limit. What's currently unavailable is the other Briogeo Superfoods Choice, and that's the Banana Coconut Texture Spray. So that's currently sold out, but that also did look nice. And the Mystery Choice, again, sold out here as well. Not surprising. All right, on to customization 5. So customization 5, yeah, there's some decent products. Nothing, again, totally amazing. But the first one here was a Lily Pulitzer little ID case. Super cute. I'm always tempted by little ID cases, wallets, but again, I have to pass on it. Another classic lotion, SPF 30. There's a hand serum, which looks interesting. I don't use hand serums, but that is an interesting product. There's a natural stress and sleep, probably spray, which looks nice. There's this really cute little catch-all tray, which is interesting, but I definitely don't need it. I did select this Laneige Water Bank Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. I do like Laneige products that I've talked about, so I want to try out their little moisturizer here. I do really like more water creams, the lightweight textures. For me, especially in the warmer months that we're in, works better than a really thick, heavy cream. So I really am interested in trying this water cream consistency. Currently, what's unavailable is the Mystery Choice, no shocker. But again, this Liquid IV Hydration and all the flavors sold out. So I don't know, I feel like they offered this as a sample, I think in a previous box, which I haven't tried yet. But obviously it must be popular because all of the choices sold out for that one. So let me know, have you tried this little hydration product? It probably is something worthwhile checking out. All right, we're coming to the home stretch. I'm losing my voice. I'm sorry if it's really annoying to you guys, but I'm doing my best to project as well as I can. Customization number 6. So here I think I just have, I have 2 products that I selected. The first one was this Tom's no-show socks. Love this no-show type of a look. I think this is going to work for me. Love the colors. Look how cute it is. So I definitely have selected this. I will do an upcoming favorites video, I think, because I found the best no-show socks ever, in my opinion, from Amazon that I want to show you guys. So I'm going to try to put together one of those just all-time favorite products that I'm really loving at this time. Definitely into no-show socks. I think that definitely worthwhile picking this one up, and that's a great value. Mystery Choice is still available here, so if you want to consider that for a $10 upcharge. There's this really cute pair of sunnies. Love sunnies, as I always talk about. I get a lot of them from FabFitFun, but I really love my Key Australia Desi Aviators, so it looks pretty similar to that. I have the pink colorway already, so I'm going to pass, but really, really cute pair of sunnies. There's this little notebook. Again, I'm a sucker for stationery, but cannot go with this. By far, I have too many notebooks, but that is a cute choice. There's a little massage ball, which looks nice. There's a hydrating gel cleanser that's offered. Hyaluronic spray, it looks like. There's a by Rosie Jane deodorant spray, which is interesting. Already done, cute little set of bowls. And then finally, what I did pick up was this Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Primer. I've seen this everywhere. I really wanted to try it out, so I decided for a $10 upcharge, I'm just going to try it. So that's definitely going in my cart. And then what sold out was this Grill Girl digital meat thermometer, which is kind of cute. I love the Grill Girl name. I think that's super cute. I have a meat thermometer actually already, so I'm going to pass on this, but that's currently sold out for customization number 6. And I believe that is the last customization selection choice. They do have boost products, some extra add-on products here, subscribe and save type of things. In general, I don't think the boost products that they often offer are screaming values, so I tend to pass on those. So I'm going to pass on those here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select finish. And as I'm looking at the boost products, it's funny because a lot of things actually already sold out. But I'm going to go ahead and click finish because I am done here. And there you have it. Those are all of my customization selections. In general, I tend to stick to most of what I pick. I will maybe tweak it a little bit before the window actually closes. So definitely stay tuned for my upcoming big FabFitFun unboxing, where I always take you through not only the customized products I picked, but also the add-ons I selected. I will do little demos if I can here and there and let you know my first impressions as well. So if you're not subscribed, definitely make sure you are, because I will be doing my FabFitFun unboxing video for you guys in the near future. So definitely stay tuned for that. As always, I love putting these 2 videos together for you guys, despite a hoarse voice, because I absolutely love your comments. So please keep those coming. Let me know what you think of these products, which ones you have in your box, and give me feedback, because I definitely listen to you guys. So help me out here. Let me know what you guys think about all these products being offered here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video and sticking through me despite my hoarse voice. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.